into silence. I find myself bathed in the light that you caused. Now I can seem to get you off my mind. Could you say what it takes? I only wanna connect with you. I wouldn't wait if you asked me to. Would you? I fell into you so easily. I'm not tethered, but I'd like to be. Maybe we can find time. Maybe you can keep me in mind. I can see the future, and I can see that we connect in time. I am keen if you are. There's nothing left to fight. Still my focus. Still my focus. Still my focus again. Still my focus. Still my focus. Still my focus again. I can see the future. Still my focus. Still my focus. Still my focus again. Still my focus. Still my focus. Still my focus again.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, traders.
It's time for Power Hour.
Last 60 minutes of the day for crypto. And it was so nice. At one point, we saw $69,500. Really thought we might be doing something significant. And then market-wide sell-off going into the close for the stock market today. It took Bitcoin with it. And unfortunately, we're not gonna. Another day is gonna go by where we're failing to break. There's just too much supply at $69,000. Too much, man. You could understand why, because of what happened in 2021. It was the highest high, highest price, highest cent ever, dollar, cent, whatever. That is what we're up against. I mean, we were going to engulf. Sorry, man. What a joke. Completely suppressed. But hey, you know, on the other side of the coin, at least, you know, we're holding above 67,554. The unfortunate occurrence of this is we are still in purgatory, as we have been in purgatory since the 23rd, and it's now the 30th. Just terrible market conditions for movement in terms of the altcoins too. We're just kind of in that sell and may go away situation, man. There's just not much market activity really anywhere unless you had earnings or you were in a courtroom in New York. Yeah, so either way, I mean, just I hate how it has to be like, oh, I was live yesterday, and here I am live today, and nothing's changed. White copper accumulation still looks good. Still trading above the heart line of this range. And that's it. You're going to be, I mean, it's the same price every freaking day, just about. It's mind-numbing. Certainly mind-numbing price action. Bitcoin trading at its same price today as it was March 4th. So we're going on. We're about to be. I mean, give it a few days, and we will be 3 months, an entire quarter of dead and flat. Ugh. Cool story, bro. Right? And, you know, normally when Bitcoin's flat like that, altcoins are able to do some things, but no, not really. All they've done is set up some pretty impeccable setups for longs, for risk management, and for increased probability of up, but they've not really done anything, and they're, I don't know when or if they ever will. Just being real. I mean, Uniswap did. Uniswap actually did the thing. Right, I mean, this is like where it's like, where the F are these other effing stupid loser altcoins going to catch bids? Same structure at the pattern completion zone of these bullish bats and these newly established long-term uptrends. Like, you look at this, and it's like, okay, let's go to algo. When are these stupid joke losers going to buy? Like, for real, what are you doing? Buy. It's time. This is what it looks like before it pulls Uniswap. And they're just not doing it, man. They're not going to let it happen. I don't know how long it's going to take. It might take another 100 days. They might keep us waiting from June 9th, 2023 to October 2023. So you better buckle up and better stay patient. That's all I got to tell you, man. Wit's end with this lack of price action. But at least the structures are there. Just hanging around every day. Just start cut down stream time from 5 days a week to like 2 times a week. You know, because like, what's the point? Like, what's the point of going live every day and looking at this garbage, this trash? Like, I'll just take a hiatus from streaming until this actually plays out. It'd probably be healthy. All of them, all these stupid jokes, dude. Like, wow, look, it's Filecoin just sitting there. Like, ready to go up 50%. But nah, now we're just going to sit here for months. Cool. Ethereum, whatever, just flat today after the crazy pump. You know, that was cool. Either 3520 next or 4020 next. That's it. See, it probably did the thing. Of course it did the thing. Okay, likes are visible. Okay, well, what do you want? Down 0.41%. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed since May 21st on Ethereum. Awesome.
Mitch, when
Cool.
recession? The powers that be keep fudging the numbers and moving the goalposts. I'm tired of being gaslit
So
by the
Greg
media
P.
saying it's okay.
When recession? Oh, I don't know if we can get a true recession with the money printing. The treasonous money printing, I don't think we'll get it. It won't be like that. Yep, BNB just trying to hold on to this demand line, supply line. Trying to hold it as demand line again. You know, been doing that since the 23rd, and it's the 30th. Time flies. When price action had moved, BNB trading at the same price as trading at March 13th. Lot of action, lots and lots of action. So, active trade setup, up off the entry by a good amount, but still has not hit the first target. And these are daily candles. Yes, these are not 5-minute, 1-minute candles. They are daily candles, 24 hours, represented by each stupid joke of a candle. Yep, clown world. We're in it. It's even in crypto. Cool. It's like everything's set up, but when bids? Oh, maybe never bids? Oh, okay, cool. Awesome. All right, Sol, XRP, biggest joke in crypto, kind of. In terms of price action and performance, and yeah, that's all that we really care about here. So, biggest joke, here it is. Just testing 51 cents again. Who cares what it does? I don't really care if it goes to 0, 60 cents, flip your coin. It's a joke. Trading the same price. At least it's, you know, Sol didn't exist 7-8 years ago, I don't think. Ethereum was much lower. Bitcoin was much lower. But XRP, special. Same price it was trading at 7 to 8 years ago. Cool. Loser. Major loser. I mean, that's it, kind of. That's crypto, dude. I mean, Uniswap's up 3%, ENS up 4%, Tesla's up 1 point. You know, Tesla's another one where it's like, okay, I mean, like, pattern completion zone, consolidation, add a key support. They defended it. There's some divergence. Yeah, a little bullish divergence here. Doesn't matter. No one cares. No one's gonna buy this garbage. I mean, I'm just waiting. We're at actionable entries where you can manage your risk, and the probability is higher that we're gonna go up next, but it hasn't happened yet, and maybe it's never gonna happen, or maybe they're just trying to make me go effing crazy first, and then it'll pump. St. Barth's is in off season right now, man. It's like rainy season, so that place kind of closes up shop until winter time. You know, you got hurricane season down there. Can't do it. We can't go to St. Barth's, man. Yep, so Tezos, there it is, man. Just another joke beanie baby that is set up for our prices, but just maybe isn't going to happen. I don't know. Whatever. Let's look at COS. That's a nice falling wedge breakout and but can't break 14.4 cents. Can't break the overhead resistance from 2023. Not yet. But you have a target, easy target at 19 cents if they can ever break it. If they can get their act together. But that is a textbook, impeccable structure, and a confirmed breakout. So not much more you could ask for on something like this. Really, all these altcoins, man, just they're beautiful. I just don't know what's going on. Composite Man is just wants you to sell, wants you to just forget it. Go run to GME and AMC and Nvidia and forget about the altcoins. You can't forget about them, man. They're too set up. We've seen it so many countless times where they set up like this and they eventually do play out, and you will see. Almost gotta have faith. Okay, I mean that's the crypto update, man. Dead. Literally dead market. Gonna be dead in late May. Understandable. Just like last year. Last year was the worst though. Last year was just terrible. Okay, let's go to let's just take a look at Dell that reported earnings this afternoon and got nuked. Man, God, like, down even worse. Like down over at today it was down 5.18%, and then after hours down 18.27%. I guess gap fill at 133.99 probably coming. But yeah, I mean, you understand that Dell was outperforming Nvidia. I'm not kidding. It was for the year 2024. Yeah, a little known fact. That was it. But let's just say the gains from the highest high now ever, down 22.5% in a matter of a day or two. But I think it, gaps down. I don't think it's over. Probably not yet. But man, what a run it's been. And it all started with a legendary Gartley. Never forget, man. It was perfect. And the Gartley's pattern completion zone happened to line up with an old all-time high from 2019. You cannot make this up. It was perfect. It was a dream. A dream of dreams. Dell, and then what was it? Unity Software got just completely destroyed. Yeah, look at that failure, right? Okay, breaking that support, probably done. But this wasn't it. What was the one? Was it Path? Oh yeah, it was Path. The Kathy Woods joke. Unity is garbage too. Pretty sure she owns that. Here it was, man. We looked at it yesterday after hours, but this was the trading session today, conceptualized with a Japanese candle, and it was bad. It was the lowest daily candle close since January 6th. 2023. So over 52-week lows, of course. Highest volume we've seen in human history on this chart. Kathy Woods bought this thing, and a couple days later, I mean, what is she doing? Like, she's an active fund manager buying millions of dollars worth of an asset days before its earnings. Like that, like who taught her how to do this? That's like the most stupid thing you could do with other people's money. Oh, dang, dude, earnings coming up. Sign me. All right, I'm all in, dude. I'm millions of dollars. I'm in. She's just a clown, dude. She is entry and exit liquidity for everyone that is an institution, a man. Yeah. Strong, independent woman who's cost her investors billions of dollars. I think 18 billion since 2014. So stick that in your freaking pipe and smoke it. Amazing. Genius, by the way. Okay, all right. Let's look at the index funds. Spider.
Okay, the coins are doing nothing. What's your look on miners? Iren?
Johnny, thank you for the 20 super chat. Appreciate it, man. Doubt I'll be seeing many of those today. We'll look at Iran, a Bitcoin miner. By default, every single one of us in this entire community and outside of our community has outperformed her. Rep. Everyone's outperformed Kathy Woods. So Spider, S&P 500 ETF, unfortunately had a bad candle. I mean, where you're seeing a confirmed close below the previous all-time high from March, showing your first level of negative momentum since May 2nd. So that could build. And falling to neutral, right around 50 on the RSI. Yeah, there could be some continuation here. There could be some more selling pressure. No big deal. Could just end up making a higher low than the previous low, hidden bullish divergence, and run again later. Don't let days like today deter you from understanding what these thugs and people in power are doing to your purchasing power. They're devaluing, debasing your currency at record levels. It's never been like this, ever. I mean, since the New World Order was established after World War II. Never been like this. So this is probably going to make a higher low. And it's probably going to rip to 600 at some point. But yeah, okay, we pulled back today. No big deal. Dow Jones, that losing streak. Woo! Sheesh. Yeah, that's 2, 4, 6 day losing streak, lowest daily candle close since May 1st. Man bun double tap. Still fine. I mean, like, they're gonna come and test. It's probably 37.7. If it doesn't hold, then you're looking at 36.958. They're gonna back test the previous all-time high from January 2022 for the first time literally ever. It's never been tested, so that could be a target. You've fallen. You see the Dow Jones Industrial has fallen into the bearish control zone for the first time since April 30th, but really probably since April 19th. Okay. So just getting murked, getting mogged. NASDAQ Composite, down 1.08%. Waning positive Momo, soon to be in the red. Falling out of the bullish control zone into neutral territory, not a big deal. Okay, this happens. What Microsoft dumped, Nvidia finally had a down day, and it's gonna happen. Like, you think about NASDAQ goes to $16,000. Who cares, man? Your money is collapsing. Your fiat purchasing power is collapsing. This is going to turn into a higher low than the previous low, and we're going to run again. And your money, your purchasing power is going to continue being devalued as they print more of it, not just to service debt, but to launder it and to completely and utterly destroy society as we know it, so they can rebuild their surveillance, central bank digital currency, social credit score society, the blueprint that the communist Chinese have implemented. Hype in the chat for that, because it's coming, and there's nothing you're going to do about it. You're not going to stop it. They have impunity, these people in power. They won't stop till they have it, and there will be no one to defend. No one's going to do crap. Okay, cool. Small caps were up 0.95% today. Whatever. Just sitting sideways. Congrats. Yeah, you got a couple higher lows on the tail end of this big range, and cool. call me when it breaks 213, and then we can rejoice in the breakout. But until then, just, hey, it's trading at the same price it was trading at December. So if you thought it was bad on Bitcoin, it's even worse on the IWM for sideways. But let's be real, it's more like XRP, trading at the same price it was trading at in January 2021. Oh, God, kill me, dude. Send it.
Hey Mitch, can you take a look at GMX/USDT? Thank you.
Amala, thank you for the 20. We'll look at GMX. Sure. Much love, man. $20 super chat. Okay. Those are your index funds, Larry. Let's look at the bigger players on the market drivers, NVIDIA. Here's your death stick candle, down 3.77%, down almost 1% after hours. Who knows? It's going to gap down, and I mean, you could have, like, it could go down 10%, and it's not even going to matter. I mean, this thing will probably pivot and run higher later. Okay, nothing in the world performing like NVIDIA. So, and we're talking about fundamentally speaking, it's a money-making machine in the fastest growing sector in the world, of course. So, down day, and could get worse. Flip your coin at this point, because that's all NVIDIA is. It's just a huge roulette table or slot machine at this point. But if you wanted to know what a 100% measured move of the bull pole bull flag would be, it was around 1238. $1,238 for this pole measured here, 100%, 1238. And that just so happens to line up right around where it becomes the highest market cap asset in the entire world, or publicly traded company in the world. Okay. Nice. Apple was up today, 0.53%, up 0.13% after hours. Still just waiting for an 886, at least 195. And that is very close to an overhead resistance that stems back to July of 2023, December 2023. So there's probably a little bit more upside on Apple before we see any kind of reaction or anything, right? So, yep, a little more upside. Okay, then Google. Well, no, let's do Microsoft first, because it's number 2. Still higher market cap than NVIDIA. But not at this rate. They keep this up, right? I mean, that was a nasty red candle after all-time highs and after pretty much hitting the 1.618, the major one, for the first time ever. There you go. Man bun double tap. Making its way. Down after hours, 0.28%. I think that just really has everything to do with Dell's terrible earnings. Wow. Wow. It's when you thought chat couldn't get any more dead. It's the most dead I've maybe ever seen chat. It's like, oh, hey guys, it's my first live stream, literally ever. Hi guys, I'm a new streamer. Thanks for tuning in. All 10 of y'all, thank you for being here. Really, really appreciate it. Here's your Google. Beautiful. Gotta love this, man, right? I mean, this channel is just undeniable in its validity, and just even more so now, right? Testing once and then twice, and then all the bearish divergence at that supply line, overbought territory, drawn down. You saw your lowest candle close since the 14th of May. Could be headed for the heart line, which would definitely take the index funds lower. You know, you come down to 156, that's oversold in the long-term uptrend. So there's a lot of downside up here on Google, and it's not a big deal. Like, the trend's not in jeopardy. It's just assets go up and down, man. They hit supply lines where their supply is too much. The buyers relent and sellers take over temporarily. They pivot it, the higher low, the highest low ever, and then you run again later. Yeah, this is set up perfectly on Google for some downside. And it'd be more surprising for it to just break this supply line and just keep going. That would be like, dang, that's insane. Okay, so those are like your bigger stocks, man. I forgot. Let's look at Jonathan's totals, man. How you doing, dude?
I like turtles.
There's bears out here.
You should leave immediately.
There it is, man. What a joke. You thought Clown World couldn't get any worse, and here it is. This is Clown World squared. Okay, supply line, up, down, snip, snap, snip, snap. We're gonna do it. We're not. We're gonna do it. We're not. We're gonna make it. It's over. Make it over. Make it over. So it looks like we're gonna get a close back within the confines of this correction. And who knows, man? Because tomorrow it could just be up, back, above it. Because we're sideways as F. Cool. Trash market, indeed.
Remember what you have said many times, Mayor of Greenbow. Patient man wins. Please look at ZRX. Thanks for the hard work. Bar Buovi. 100 years from now it doesn't matter. Mitchell my dog.
So, dude, thank you for the cats. Thank you, Ringo, for the 22. Yeah, look at ZRX. Let's get to these 3 requests. That's 3 more than we had yesterday. So I got Iris Energy, which was fine. I mean, it's good, dude. A lot of accumulation going on. Trading above $7, $6.45. It's not a joke. This is certainly not a joke here, man. This is a major inflection point, inflection zone. Anything above that's great day. Okay, it's like almost one low, then the second low, or like a triple bottom with accumulation. All right, we got 1 here, 2, and then 3. Really, I mean that looks good to me, man. Okay. And that's not even the first time. So it's a pretty well established kind of uptrend more than before, and it's very evident. Trading with the 200 moving average. You could just, I mean, really, there's no danger for IREN until it falls below 414, which I know isn't going to help, but that's the previous discernible swing low. And that's how we determine if trends are reversing or not, is when they violate previous lows, and this one's very elevated. I would just say at this point, if you're looking along it, if you were, you better, I think, just line in the sands 645. I don't think you want to see the asset fall below that again, even though it could, and it wouldn't be weird to just be a 4th freaking low, and that's just testament to this garbage market, garbage price action, dude. Hey, IREN trading at the same price December 2023, trading at the same price as May 2022. Ugh. But still, nevertheless, higher lows. Nice. More than before. Let's see here. GMX. Oh, maybe it's type 2. You know, we were here before, identified 3 rising valleys, and I mean, dude, after the identification of that structure at the pattern completion zone, the M shape, I mean, it appreciated in value 86%, a couple times too. So, all right. Back at the drawing board. So we go to the weekly, and we could see It's pretty much just type 2 returning. This is type 1, and this is the type 2. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty good. It's either, hey man, you're buying low or you're selling high, and 2644 is the epitome of what low is, and they kept it there for a whole month, and now they're starting to rally it, and you're probably going to see $52+ in time off this low. That's it, man. $52 to $59 from here in time. Yeah, that's about it, man. It's kind of garbage. I mean, less than before, really. Less market participants involved with GMX than even in September of 2023. That's pathetic. That's a loser, a major loser. There are not many altcoins that are currently or have made lower lows than the low from September. That was before the mega run for Bitcoin and all the alts. And look in the mirror. GMX, look in the mirror. Loser. Major loser compared to others. But that's cool, dude. Back above 33.27. $51 target. You know? It's probably where it'd be headed if it's actually going to run higher. All right? Cool. I don't know why you can't donate to the channel, dude. Hold on. Let me... gosh dang, I hate when it does that, man. Yeah, thank you, dude, for telling me. I'm working on it now. Oh yeah, it disconnected me, man. It's crazy. Give me a sec. Alright, we should be good now. I'm reconnected to my 1UP coin, so give it a try now if you can. Alright, ZRX. For the memes, down 3% today because that's what S coins do. I mean, it's well off the lows, but trading in it, I mean, it's gonna be having its lowest close since May 16th. Trading above the 200 simple moving average. Anything above 45 cents is grand on ZRX. It's just disappointing that there was great entries, ease of managing risk, started to run, and now it's just gonna pull back. So just hoping that it's wherever the pullback concludes, it is higher than these two lows, and then we're completely fine. But there you go. First level of negative momentum about to be cemented in less than 20 minutes for the first time since April 20th. Yeah, this is just a dead market, man. Like, it's dead until they actually start bidding at these pattern completion zones. They haven't really, man. Same price as it was April 14th. Cool.
Hey Mitch. HBAR, the single best D is set up in the whole of crypto. Really? Down almost every day for 3 weeks now.
Oh no! Oh no!
Thank you, dude, for the monkey saying oh no. I don't even know, was that real? Wow, they literally added that like this stream. TNG is kind of a joke, man. I don't know. So, yeah, that's ZRX, like many altcoins, just selling off because we're in a dead market right now. And we're good. So, I mean, you know, looking at this and Tezos and H-bar, or looking at Reef or any others, same structures, add supports, just no one's buying them.
Hey people watching
And it
this
takes
stream,
time, man.
what industry do you all work in? For me it's tech. No
So, Greg, thank
slowdown.
you, dude.
But are any of you seeing slowdowns or layoffs? DHX.
Like OXT, down 1%. But there you go. I mean, up against the 200, stage is set, structure's there, whatever. You know, this mentally ill guy tipping, like he's not here tipping like when IP plays out, hits its target. You know, he's not here tipping when these setups over the past 6 months, 7 months played out brilliantly. He's only here to talk crap like now. But what about all the other times of success? That's the thing. This is a numbers game. You apply the framework over and over and over again 100 plus times. Not one trade. Like dudes like big time derangement syndrome. Like, I'm sorry that you like lost all your money on that asset. That's not my fault, dude. That's you. And so you're mad about it. So you're so mentally ill. You're like paying me money to talk crap. That's crazy, dude. It's okay. We know you're a loser. That's like, we definitely know that. Yeah, so Zcash flat today, but still, look, see? Here it is.
So Wojak is down, lol, I don't care. Respect.
Went for a walk today. Thanks for the 6-1. I mean, Wojak, it's an S coin. That was an M shape there. That thing went up 100+%. But, you know, you won't find the mentally ill guy tipping about that. Nah. Because that was identified and that played out. But nah. We could talk about H-bar. Whoa, what is that?
Today ensures a victory or a war. MAGA/Trump/USA tokens are pumping. Thanks for all you do.
Boring finances and give it a
0.00259889 BTC.
It's wild, man. Like, if you're like applauding what happened today, you're the enemy. You're the enemy, and I hope you stop watching this stream because you're completely gone. Like, there's no saving you if you think what they are doing is right. You're the enemy. Yep. Let's look at gold. After that bearish divergence, sold off, but just hanging in there. Quite possibly could put in a higher low than 2282, but hasn't. I mean, it's just the verdict's still out on it. We don't know if this is underperforming or if it's just not yet completely done or played out. So just trading at the same price it was trading at April 8th. Woof. They killed gold too. Silver is outperforming the living crap out of gold lately. But today, it was a sell-off, a market-wide sell-off, right? Crypto, stocks, commodities, you name it, man. All selling off. Then you had coffee futures is up today. It's continuing to climb. Highest daily candle close since April 17th. And in fact, the second highest daily candle close since August 2022. So the trend's reversed on this one, as you can see.
What the f did you put in that sauce?
Thank you. Seafood futures. You know, I mean, it looks really good. Like a bottom being put in on it, for sure. And you think the next target eventually would be 83.90. Above the 200, everything's good on this one. Bottoming out, man. CPI report, yeah, tomorrow, yeah. It's gonna obviously have some effect on the market in short term, of course. Yeah. Orange juice futures finally getting wrecked, man. After yesterday, look at that, down 4.19%. Of course, they weren't going to give us 4.2%. Why would they? Cushion orange juice would have been just too much of a meme. Wild. And then we just look at, oh yeah, I forgot. Let's look at like copper. It was down, you know, after an all-time high briefly. Lowest close since May 10th and breaking a support kind of. So it's kind of a big deal. So just kind of correcting. All right. And then platinum also down. Not as bad. But still, you know, could come back for a back test of 1,994. Easy.
Can you take a look at Hood? Christ Jesus Lord and King of Kings bless up.
Greg, we can look at Hood. Thank you, dude. Yep, certainly. Hood, we'll do it right now. Whatever. Right? Yep. There you go, dude. Walk up accumulation and the breakout and then the bull flag and then hit its highest level today since December 2021 and the highest daily candle close since December 2021. That's multi-year highs and that's pretty big time, dude. Yeah, that's not a joke, and it's kind of been a long time coming where we know there is just no overhead resistance until 33.41. It was a straight line down, so it could be a straight line up. Yeah, down 1%, 1.1% after hours, but bucking the macro, certainly, as the index funds were mainly down today.
Gentlemen.
There you go, Greg. Not much else to talk about besides, because there'd be more to talk about if there was more overhead resistance or there was adversity ahead of you, but there's just nothing here, man. Nothing. Not many charts look like this. It's that easy. I just don't know what you would want, you know. I'm look at it and it's like, what can I say? You got less than 10 minutes till the daily close. If you're enjoying the stream, like button above the sub. Thanks for being here.
Orange me, eat orange, give me, eat orange, give me, eat orange, give me, eat orange, give me you.
Thank you for the oranges. The orangutan oranges, man. They got wrecked today. Wow. Yeah, we've been live now for about 50 minutes, about an hour, close to an hour. Just not anything going on, man. You know, we look across the markets, we look at a few requests, and the gold miners still elevated. The Bitcoin miners kind of mixed. Like HUT's kind of just like in an altcoin situation where, okay, there was a structure there, there was a reason for being able to manage risk appropriately, right? Because of the levels and confirmation lows, and it's rallied off of those lows, but Sorry, man. There's just not enough demand to push it to 1249. It's just literally trading at the same price it was trading at in June of 2022. It's just flat, man. Don't know what it would take for these Bitcoin miners to actually start going places. Wolf, I mean, so close, man. 232 is a 1995.
Jasmy up 30% went in at 0.0214.
Resistance. Anonymous, congrats on the 30% on Jasmine. Yeah, well, that's whack-a-mole, man. Right there, 18,000 plus S coins, right? Yeah, like, okay. You won the lottery, man. Congrats. There wasn't anything that someone did. I mean, like, probably had a similar structure or didn't, and it just went up 30% today. We'll probably be down 15% tomorrow. Yeah, so it's just more than before.
There's only one thing we say to death. Not today.
Thank you, Sirio Farrell from Bravos. Thank you, dude. Yep, it could have been great, man. Today, 69K is just so important for the crypto space because Bitcoin dictates pretty much the directionality of altcoins. And when Bitcoin can break resistance with confirmation, with volume, pronounced price action, it's good for Bitcoin miners, crypto derivatives, MicroStrategy, you name it. But just same crap as usual, just fake outs. But still, I mean, maybe up here 1 and 2, like confirmation lows, it's not over. It's just elevated at the supply line of that flag. Just not enough demand to absorb all of it. So we could be very well on. I think we're on the cusp of resolution, whether it's just a big old breakdown or we're about to break out and head to 74K. So just where we are. So we got like less than 5 minutes to kill. So I guess I'll just run out the clock here. We could look at the CRM real quick. Got destroyed on earnings yesterday, but here was the candle. Oof. It was nasty, down 20%. It got as low as $212. It's down 0.47% after hours. Trading the lowest price since November of 2023. That's disgusting. It really is. So CRM, Dell, Path. Wow, man. Neutered. Yeah, dude, and then you want another one? Here it is. ServiceNow. Man, it took earnings. Well, no, it wasn't even earnings. I thought maybe it was, because that's such a disgusting candle. Down 12% today. Look what they did, though. I mean, like, there was a structure here. It looked like a fake out, and they rallied it and just never even tested the supply line. Again, that was a sign of weakness. And, wow, it broke that support. Back tested it yesterday and just collapsed today, trading at its lowest price since November 13th, and did officially fill that gap. That was unfilled. Well, hold on. Yeah, pretty much filled the gap, I would say, yeah. And you're going to ask about HRL, which was the third worst loser today. Oh my God, it was nasty, man. It was real nasty. Yeah, they defended a level, it squeezed, and then just exhausted, right? Up here, collapsed, filled the gap. The earnings gap from February 29th. So you'd think that 29.45, 29.82 is on deck. As you can see here, it was that 2017 low. 2015 high. Oh, Leela, what are you talking about, dude? Okay. 2 minutes. Let's go to Bitcoin. Here it is, man. Here it is, Bitcoin. Hidden bullish divergence on 12 hour. Nah, negative momentum. There's too much of it still. Yeah, maybe if the bids come in and they're sustained and they hold and you keep losing negative momentum over the coming days, we could say hidden bullish divergence, but just not yet. A little early, but yes. Good to identify it maybe beforehand. Keep your eye on it. Too early. Super bland corn. Needs butter, needs salt. Shoot, dude. We need to throw it in the microwave. Hasn't even popped. What could be on the cusp, man? I mean, 3 months. You're staring at 3 months of nothing. Sideways in a long-term uptrend. So that's kind of okay. That's kind of a good thing. That's like 3 months of sellers putting in max effort to lower the price, and they failed miserably. And then there is now confirmation on the market that the sellers really are screwed, I think, with this spring action back test of spring. And now trading in the upper echelon of the channel, the range, the heart line, the midpoint. And there it is.
What's up, Mitch? What's your thoughts on Dollar Labs on the Solana network? Curious to hear your thoughts on their chart.
Hobby Dade, Javi Dade, JB Dade, thank you for the 10 super chat. Thoughts on Labs with a Z? I don't know, man. It's $20 minimum for like 4 more requests, but you know, like it kind of sucks too, because I gotta go by the rules. Because if I just look at it for you, then all of a sudden, like all the people that were tipping 20 earlier, like that's slapping them in the face, right? So it's kind of like, what can I do? Nothing. Yeah, that was it's not your bad. I'm not saying it's your bad, dude. I appreciate the contribution to a 100% crowdsourced stream, though. Yeah, that, at least that. And Labs isn't even a thing on TradingView. Sorry, it's not on TradingView. I can't analyze it, so yeah, there's Lab, but there's no Labs with a Z, especially. Yeah, nothing we can do, man. It's not available for me to analyze this. Lab, here's Lab, dude. Probably a completely different asset too. Sorry. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. And I don't know when the next time I will return, so better pray for some price action one way or another, because I don't know what else I can really do here. The setups are there. There's just no action, no price action, and we're in the summertime, so might be time to touch some grass. Shoot, dude, I'm gonna chase tornadoes, dude. Go do something. All right. Thanks for the likes, love, support. And I'll just be back. Till next time, respect the T. A.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Five